Hey guys, what's up? Today, I've got something mind-blowing to share with you. Seriously, check this out. You're just, away from making some serious cash. It's absolutely free. Step 1. Head on over to like4like.org. This website is your golden ticket to earning money by simply giving likes on Facebook posts. But hold on, we're not stopping at Facebook. Oh no! You can do this on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. We're talking about maximum cash with minimal effort. Now, the secret sauce is in how you set this up. It's not just about giving likes and expecting money to magically appear. I'm going to walk you through the steps to turn those likes into cold, hard cash. Yep, we're talking up to $800 a day. Can you imagine that? So, hit that like button, close the pop-up, and let's get started on this incredible money-making journey. Buckle up, because we're about to change the game and make some serious impact. Step 1. Head over to the website by clicking register on the top right. Create your unique username. Set a password, pop in your email, agree to those terms and conditions. Click I'm not a robot, and hit that submit button. Voila, you've got an account. Now, log in and feast your eyes on your brand's spanking new dashboard. Look at all those options, bonuses, special offers, free credits, all at your fingertips, ready to help you make that moolah. Next up, we're going big on Facebook. If you don't have an account, create a fresh one just for this adventure. Log in, search Make Money Online in the search bar, then hit up the groups. Activate the public groups option to open doors to a plethora of options. Click through and find those golden, active groups where likes flow freely and comments keep coming. First off, hunt down those active groups where likes are being tossed around like confetti at a party. We're talking about Engagement City, folks. Find 4 to 5 of these lively groups. Now, here's your secret sauce to success. Once you're in these groups, it's time to drop a line that's going to turn heads and get those clicks. Imagine this. Making money online feels so good. If anyone needs some side income, I recommend signing up to this free website that's really easy. Drop that script and slap a link right next to it. And guess what? It's as simple as set it and forget it. One post and you're in the money game. You'll be making a sweet $3 for every like you reel in. But hey, before we jump to the next level of money magic, smash that thumbs up on this video. We're diving into step 3. And this one's a game changer. Get ready to unlock the big bucks? Head over to aftplus.com, your treasure trove of worldwide CPA offers. Now, if you're wondering what CPA stands for, it's cost per action. Simple, right? We grab a referral link from these networks, and whenever someone signs up through our link, just by dropping their first name, last name, and email address, cha-ching. We get paid, and they don't even have to whip out their wallets. Now, let's zoom in on the sweet spot survey websites. Type in survey in the search box and watch the magic happen. We're talking about making a cool $1.70 for each person signing up for a survey website. But hold on, the excitement doesn't stop there. We've got high-paying offers too, ranging from $2 to $6 per lead. Time to unlock some serious cash with this survey offer from the mighty Survey Junkie website. You're gonna love this one. Why Survey Junkie? First, it's a survey giant, trusted and reliable in the survey world. That's pretty awesome, right? All you gotta do is click on this offer, and it'll whisk you away to a magical page. Here's where the action starts. Join this network right here to get on board with the Survey Junkie offer. Take a sneak peek at how the offer is gonna look. And hey, you can even preview the landing page. Sweet, huh? Now here's where the money-making happens. People click your affiliate link, land on this enticing page, and hit that Join Now button. All it takes is an email address or a quick sign-up using their Facebook or Google account. Boom! We're on to step 4, and trust me, this one's a money magnet. Ready to make those dollars rain? Grab that referral link from the network we just dove into. Head back to your Facebook post and paste that link in there. When someone clicks and signs up for free, ka-ching, $3 straight into your pocket. How awesome is that? But hey, let's turn up the hype. Slap some PayPal earning screenshots on there. If you don't have any, no worries. Just hit up Google, search for PayPal earning proofs, switch to images, and pick some jaw-dropping proofs like this one. Save them to your device. Then, circle back to your Facebook post, attach that proof you just snagged, and let the world see the magic. Post it in that Make Money Online group we talked about. And once it's up, grab that post link. We're down to the 5th step, and this is where the magic really happens. Ready to boost those likes like a champ? Head back to like4like.org and dive right into your Like4Like account. Scroll down a bit until you spot the golden words, how Like4Like works. It's all about earning those free credits by spreading the love and hitting those likes. Every like you drop on Facebook posts or pages, you're racking up points in your account. And guess what? You can cash in those points for Facebook likes, shares, Instagram likes, Twitter retweets, you name it. Once you've got that Facebook post link from the Make Money Online group, swing by this page and hit that Add New button. Now, let's level up those likes. Click on Select Features and pick Facebook likes. You'll see a few more fields pop up. Drop that Facebook post URL into the first box. The next one's optional, so leave it blank if you want. Now, here's the fun part, select the credits for each like. We're talking about the amount of points you're willing to trade for each like on your Facebook post. I'd recommend sticking under 6 points for this method. Let's go with 3 points for the win. We're nearing the finale, and this is where we kick it up a notch to turbocharge those likes. Ready to flood your Facebook post with love? Hit that submit button, and boom, your campaign's live. Likes are gonna start rolling in for your Facebook post. But here's the kicker, you gotta rack up those credit points like there's no tomorrow. Time to hustle. Hover that mouse over here, and you've got options. You can spread the love by liking different Facebook posts, sharing them, and more. Each action you take earns you sweet points. Let's focus on Facebook likes for now. Click that like button, and voila, a new window pops up. Drop a like, close it, and watch those points roll into your account. Rinse and repeat, gather as many points as you can. These points are like gold, and they're gonna power up those Facebook post likes. Remember, the more likes your Facebook post gets in this group, the wider your reach becomes. More eyes on your link, more people joining Survey Junkie, more money in your pocket. And there you have it, folks. The blueprint for boosting those likes and making some serious cash. Keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hit that like button if you're ready to kick it up a notch with these money-making strategies. Now, here's the challenge. Can we hit 100,000 likes? I know we can. Smash that like, share this video with your friends. Let's create a buzz. And hey, leave a comment down below on what money-making methods you'd like us to tackle next. Your voice matters.